All right, here's a quick cabin tour of room 4473 on board the brand new Carnival Celebration. All right, when we enter, I have to put my key card in to get lights. And we are here. This is a standard Oceanview cabin on board the brand new Carnival Celebration. This cabin here accommodates 2 guests. Let's take a quick tour. All right, start back here. You have, of course, your deck plan, emergency information, life vests, all that information there for you. There's a thermostat here. You can go up and down. You can do a quick blast there. Again, you'll need a key card in to activate the lights, but you have light switches there. Then closet space here. And more over here. Now this does have the adjustable shelves here that you can adjust if you need them. So you can adjust it just like that, but it has hanging space, a full-length mirror there. All right, snooze inside. Let's check out the restroom. Now these restrooms on Carnival Celebration, very similar to the ones on Carnival Mardi Gras, and they are a lot smaller than your standard Carnival restroom. So as you take a peek here, you don't have a whole lot of floor space. You have the sink, toilet paper, shelves, mirror. There is a razor outlet up there. Of course, you have your mirror there and towels and things. The nice thing about it is that it does have the shower door, the glass door, so you don't have to worry about a shower curtain. And just kind of looking in there, looks like you have plenty of space. If you're on the wider side or taller, looks like there's plenty of space here. You have the adjustable shower head, you have shower gel and shampoo, and that is it for the bathroom. It is really small on board this ship, so smaller than your standard. All right, when we enter the main cabin, you have here shelves, a mini fridge, or a mini cooler, I should say. This is a mini bar. Again, it does not keep your things ice cold. It just kind of keeps them chilled. So if you have water bottles, drinks, things like that. There are plenty of drawer space here. Hair dryer. And then you have shelves here. Water, that water's for purchase. QR directory, information you need to know for your sailing. Oh, and we get the 50th birthday book because we're on the inaugural sailing. You have a lighted mirror here. Beautiful artwork. Now this couch does look like it turns into a sofa bed. So this cabin might accommodate up to 3. So this looks like it turns into a sofa bed. Again, you have space there. You have lights. And then we go over here to the cabin area. Oh, let's look at our USB ports. So you have 4 USB ports here and 3 standard US outlets. So that's really nice to have. And then we have our king size bed here. More lights. There's a shelf there. Does not look like, oh, actually I spoke too soon. There's USB port right there beside the bed. So that is really, really nice to have. And I believe these are lights. Let's see. Yes. So this turns the lights on here, as well as the one above the bed. You have a television here. And then this, again, is an Oceanview cabin. So it has nice big window. I like this because you can store some things there. It's perfect. All right, so this is, again, a standard Oceanview cabin on board Carnival Celebration. Thanks for watching.